In upcoming courses, you'll learn where to document care and what to document for your area. In this short section, we'll review the how to document. These how-to documentation tips are used in all areas by all Meditech users. Buttons are used to answer a question, navigate to areas, and perform actions. Buttons can be clicked or type the underlined letter. To the right of the screen is a toolbar. From the top, the green check is a file or save icon. The F12 key will also perform the same action. The red X is an exit, just like the F11 key. When in doubt and you're not sure how to answer a question, the F9 or binocular lookup icon will bring up a pop-up box. The Check All icon will remove all check marks in your documentation area. The directional arrow keys are the same as the ones on your keyboard. These documentation screens have a consistent user interface. Below are the questions, and you'll always know where you are on a screen by the arrow and blinking cursor. At the top is the selected question with clickable answers. Anti-cubital can be clicked or type the number 4 and press the Enter key. Choices with a plus sign will open a new box of selections. The last choice will show more options. The bottom corners will navigate to previous or next pages, or at the end of documentation. Items with values have a clickable keypad. The keyboard can also be used. Screens with calendar options will have the current day highlighted. Meditech also has keystrokes for dates and times, such as T for today and N for now. The asterisk at the end of a field indicates required, and above is a yellow guide box. Searching for a provider requires capital letters. The more information you enter, the shorter the list. There is an on-screen keyboard available. Then click Lookup. From a lookup box, you can click the choice, or type the number above and press the Enter key, or type the mnemonic into the field if known. This screen layout has a default Norms button that will populate within normal limit answers. If you select Default Norms, go to Next, you won't see the answers. Even though you selected Default Norms, you can still change answers. When your answers are correct, select Next Page. Meditech also has skip logic. When you answer a question, it might skip and bypass subsequent lines to the next needed question. If you need to print, the printer name can be selected using the lookup icon. You can type the name of the printer in the field, or you can press the space bar, then press Enter, and the last printer used will default, which is usually at the nurse's station or in your associated hallway. Documentation is as easy as point and click. After a multiple select area, click the OK button. This will move you to the next field to be answered. You can also select fields to document. One important toolbar icon is called Manage Session. HCA policy says after about 4 minutes, the computers will hibernate. When this happens, it will shut down the programs, including Meditech. This is done to protect patient PHI. Suspend session is used when you need to walk away for a few minutes, which will lock your Meditech for about 8 minutes. Enter your password, and you'll return to the screen that you left. The other item is called Magic Key Menu. This will open up a secondary main menu. Verify with your facility. This may be one way to access event reports. Always check with your facility policy before creating an event report. Reports must be completed before ending your shift. Ask for assistance when creating an event report from a charge nurse, manager, or director.